if I may share, from yung band rehearsal natin, on the way home, I just kept watching yung rehearsal video namin. Just trying to make sure that I'm singing the right notes. Pero, nagulat na lang ako, I got emotional on the ride home because it suddenly just hit me that once, when I was a little girl, I was just watching the both of you on
Ito na,
TV.
little girl.
Little boy. I say that with the utmost respect.
Ito yung HP, oh.
No, but really, parang, it was just my dream to meet you, and now you're not just my colleagues. I think of you guys as my kuya.
Aww.
And ladies and gentlemen, Christian Bautista and Mark Bautista are
Thank
two
you,
of the
Dave.
most
Thank you.
generous individuals that I have met in this industry. Not just generous with their talent, but also yung pag-share ng mga lessons and experiences
And money.
nila. Ay,
Money,
hindi ko
share.
experience
Wala ba?
yun. Maybe after.
Hindi ako. Okay.
No, but
We're
really,
happy.
thank
We're happy that you're here.
you for
Thank you
not
so
just
much.
thank you for not just being mentors, but also friends.
Of course. And you are our friend, and we are. Thank you.
Thank you for guesting us sa concert mo.
Thank you guys!
Ang dami mong sinasabi ah.
Oo.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na, okay na. Tingnan ko.
Thank you, thank
Alam
you.
ko, nahirapan na kayo kung hindi.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Dagdagan
Okay.
mo ng, dagdagan mo ng flower yung likod.
Oh, yung likod lang.
Kulang pa.
Okay na lang.
From what
Thanks,
I
Dave.
was in the front end, yeah.
So, yun,